On 22 December 2017, I started this channel, and on 22 December 2021, Hollow Studios turned 4 years. So yeah, hey guys, welcome back to Hollow Studios. Hope you are having a great day. As I told, this year is Hollow Studios' 4th year anniversary. So yeah, wow. I still feel I started the channel yesterday and now it has been 4 years since I started the channel. Wow, that's fast, way fast. And yeah, I want to mention two of my very important friends. Triple Phalanx Shin are known as Lightning Chidori and Holistic Access. These two of my friends only helped me to start my channel and they are still helping all the way. They are my schoolmates. So yeah, I'm so happy to have them as my schoolmates and friends. And also, I want to thank Destiny Docket and Blue Toys Club for inspiring me. They are my inspirations for starting my YouTube channel. To celebrate the 4th anniversary of the channel, I'm going to tell how I started YouTube and the evolution of Hollow Studios. I started the channel officially on 22 December 2017, but as a small kid, I have uploaded some random cars toys videos on my father's phone even before starting an official channel. Some notable videos I remember uploading as a kid on my father's account are unboxing Mater and McQueen, unboxing Kevin the Crane from Thomas and Friends. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Thomas and Friends when I was a kid. And then unboxing Caterpillar Mini Machines, dump truck. So these are the notable videos I remember uploading as a kid before starting this channel. Then the guys who inspired me to start YouTube are Blue Toys Club and Disney Docket. Without these guys, I wouldn't be here. So as a kid, I had planned names like Red Cars Toys Universe, name inspired from a Blue Toys Club, and red was my favorite color, and I was thinking of making a cars channel. So yeah, I have planned Red Cars Toys Universe as my channel, but I dropped that name because I think it didn't do it for me. So yeah, and another planned name was for the channel was Fun World, but many people had this name, so I needed a unique name. Now I didn't like these two names that I have planned. So yeah, so I came up with the name Holler Number One first, and it's a funny story how I got the name. One day I was playing with my cars. Obviously, I was 13 at the time, and I still play with my cars unless and until you are a cars fan. You won't understand the feeling. I still play with my cars. They are my hobby. They give pleasure to me. So yeah, unless and until you are a cars fan, you won't understand that feeling. Anyways, back to the track. I was playing with my cars one day, and my sister asked for Mac Holler. So I decided Holler is the first name because while playing itself, I was thinking the name of the channel, about the name of the channel. So as soon as she uttered the word, I grasped it. And for the second word, I was not getting anything. I was not getting any idea. And then I was watching some YouTube video, I guess. In the middle of the video, an advertisement played, and the star in the advertisement told the product he was endorsing was number one. So I got the second one, number one. This is how I got the name for the channel. I know this is little funny, but this is how I got the name. But this name didn't last long. It just had 1 year. I think I had only for this name for only 1 year, the first year till 2019. So after that, I wanted to change the name, which sounded better than Hollow Number One. But this name didn't last long. This name I had only for 1 year. I changed it in January 2019. Yeah, this name didn't last long. So in 2019, I wanted a better name. So I wanted to change the name. I didn't want to change the name completely, but I needed a replacement for the last name. The number one didn't suit well with the Holler. I didn't change the first name Holler. I just wanted a better replacement for number one as a second name. So somehow when traveling, I came to saw many signs that read studios. In some of the buildings, I came to saw the word studios. So yeah, I got a better replacement there for number one, that is studios. Thus, in 2019, Holler number one became Holler Studios. Through these 4 years, the channel has undergone some drastic changes. So we are going to see the evolution of thumbnails, type of content, channel profile, channel art, and more. So when coming to thumbnails, when I started my channel, I didn't know what are thumbnails. Yeah, the early stage I mean. I think when I got near 100 subscribers only, I started to edit thumbnails. So yeah, these are the evolution of my thumbnails. First I started with these colored thumbnails. Then I shifted to more white background thumbnails. The thumbnails which had white background. Still I have some videos that have these white background thumbnails. I didn't change it because I thought that those were good itself. Those were itself good for those videos. And then now I have these more professional looking thumbnails. Yeah. So these are the evolution of my thumbnails. I may change the style of the thumbnails in future, but for now this will do for the thumbnails. These are the style I'm going for. And then coming to intros and outros, I started to upload intro and outro for my videos in 2019. To be more precise, I started to upload these intros and outros from the video New Year special haul, and then changed the intro template slightly for the next couple of videos. And then in 2020 I changed my intro and outro completely. And then again in the same year, with the help of my good friend War Wolf Magicians, I changed the intro. I'm still using it as my channel intro. And in 2021 I changed the outro completely. And soon I will be changing the channel intro and outro again in 2022. Yeah, I will be changing the intro and outro for the channel in 2022 again. So yeah, thanks for Warwolf Magicians for helping me to make this amazing intro. So yeah, and coming to the channel art and profile, my first ever profile picture when I started my channel was Gail Buford, as around that time only I got my Gail Buford playset for Christmas. So yeah, so I had her in the profile picture at first. And the first ever channel art I was having was Cruising McQueen and Sally on my couch, replicating the Cars 2 scene where McQueen and Sally will be in the Wheelwell Motel before the scenery. And then I changed the profile picture to a random truck that I found on internet. Yeah, I know that is the most random thing I have ever done, but the truck was looking nice, so and I had it for quite some time as my profile picture, and then I switched to more good-looking profile, and which suited my channel more, which had two Doc Hudson with piston cup and a Hollow Studios text in it. That suited my channel, that gave my channel more aesthetic look, and all this time the channel art remained the same. I didn't change the channel art remained the same, where McQueen and Sally are on my couch. Then in 2020, I made a new logo and font for the channel, and the logo became the channel profile. And for the channel art, I combined the logo and the font and added some needed details like the video schedule, what kind of videos I will upload, like that. I added those details and made the channel art. And later in summer of 2021, I changed the profile and the channel art completely, where I added my human version of my art, and then the channel logo and the channel font on the in the channel profile. And for the channel art, I kept the same thing as the old channel art and just changed the background to radiator springs instead of a flat black color that was in the previous channel art. And in the profile also, I changed the background to the same radiator springs background. And then we added the video schedule on the channel art and the categories I upload. Soon I will make a small change in the channel art, as I'm going to try uploading every Wednesday and Sunday. So I think I will change it once again. I think I have made many changes in these 4 years. Yeah. Speaking of the evolution and changes, there are some projects or some plans that didn't work out and didn't get their shot finally. So in this segment, the final segment of the video, we are going to discuss about some of the plans or the projects that didn't make their final cut, like the profiles, channel arts, that videos that were cancelled and didn't make it as a final product. So yeah, let's start with channel profiles and pictures. So yeah, first of all, I had a plan for the channel profile which contained Mac and Gail Buffett in the same profile, and then for the channel art, I had planned like McQueen and Jackson Storm facing each other from their respective hollows. So I made just the concept arts for this. I didn't make a full-on profile and channel art because at that time I switched to dark cuts and profile pictures, so I didn't make this happen. And then I had another plan for the channel art where it contained four different segments. In one segment it had McQueen and Sally. In another segment it had Jackson Storm and McQueen facing each other from their hollows, and then the Thomasville Legends, Smokey, Junie Moon, River Scott, and the last segment contained Radiator Spring Townies. So all in one channel art. And I also had another channel art plan where you can see some of my favorite characters, and in the middle Hollow Studios, because I planned this in 2019, because at that time I uploaded two videos called My Favorite Characters, which featured some of my favorite characters from my favorite franchises like Marvel, Cars, Star Wars, like that. But this also didn't make it to the final cut. Yeah, I had so many different channel arts, as you see here, that didn't make it to the final cut. Yeah, that's funny, right? And then there was a prototype intro also that I had concept arts for. You can see here the concept arts. Actually, I had planned it for an intro that didn't make it to the final cut either. Actually, I planned to do stop motions. I planned to start stop motions on my channel long back. Still, I didn't do it. I am planning to do it next year. I will hopefully start it next year because I need resources for it. So hopefully I will start it by next year. Some of the planned projects. Actually, these which I told here will not make it to the cut because these were cancelled already. These will not make it to the final cut. But the stop motions which I planned for uh, future, I will make it. So yeah, these are the projects or the channel profile or arts that didn't make it to the final cut. And then I know I have planned and cancelled a ton of videos also. Yeah, I have planned and I have cancelled a ton of videos in the past. So we are going to see about those videos that I cancelled. And I'm sorry for cancelling the videos. These videos, like I didn't mean cancelling this, but I think it was the best. To cancel these videos because these were little hectic and I couldn't commit myself to do it. So yeah, first of all, the first ever video on the channel was itself cancelled. Like the starting video which was to start the channel itself was cancelled. Actually, lol, I can't believe I started the channel in this awkward way. Actually, the first video was planned to be a Christmas special haul, like opening all the Christmas gifts in back in 2017 for 25 December 2017. Actually, I cancelled unboxing video of Marvel Wolverine and Ant-Man cars from Hot Wheels in 2020 because while editing it I deleted the whole video when saving it in the gallery, and also deleted the raw footage while trying to trim the whole video. I think not switching on the camera when I recorded the Christmas haul video, and in this case I was a little bit careless when transporting the video. So these are my stupidest mistakes that I have ever done, and these are my careless moves. Yeah. Then I cancelled Cars to ninth anniversary video in which I planned to review Jeff Goldberg, but I cancelled it because back then in 2020, like the June to July, that period, I had planned many videos. I had scheduled many videos, but I couldn't commit all the for time for all the videos, so I cancelled some of them. And also I cancelled two other videos in the same year, like one is Stanley death anniversary and Heath Ledger death anniversary. I have two reasons for cancelling these two because I already wrote script for Paul Newman's death anniversary, and making three videos about three different people and their death anniversary was too lot. Like every video was meant to be death anniversary, so I thought all the three were basically same. Like they are of different people, but still the motto of the video were same. So I wanted to cancel two other videos. I wanted only a unique video, so I selected Paul Newman's death anniversary and cancelled these two videos. And also as I told, I couldn't commit myself to all the videos I had planned, but I uploaded ton of videos in 2020. I just cancelled these three to four videos, and then at last I cancelled three videos in 2021. Yeah, and one was about speculation on the Cars show, the Cars on the Road. Actually, that was speculation on the name of the show before the name was revealed. Actually, I had a plan, like speculating the name of the show, but coincidentally, the day which was planned to be uploaded, it was the same day when they revealed the real name actually. So it was no point on uploading the video, so I cancelled it. And then I cancelled a video of my 2021 scores, like all the cars I bought for 2021. I cancelled it because, yeah, that was also a little careless mistake only. I recorded the whole video and then my headset and phone got issues, so I couldn't edit it. So it took nearly 1 week, and after 1 week, when I got the phone back, some of my footages were deleted because they resetted the phone in the service center. So I lost a couple of footages in the phone, but I couldn't retrieve it. So it was little careless mistake on me. And the final video I cancelled was, this was the best video I could have uploaded, but I deleted it unfortunately. And that video was a news video compiling all the Marvel and Cars news and all the diecast news that were revealed on Disney Plus Day. Obviously, diecast news was leaked in social medias, and the Cars show and Marvel shows were leaked on Disney Plus Day. But unfortunately, I cancelled it because the editing work delayed and I couldn't upload it on time. So the best idea was I could think of at that time was cancelling it, and I regret cancelling all these videos. I'm really sorry, but I guess I gave you guys whatever I could, and uploaded. I think I uploaded some good videos nonetheless. Though cancelling a ton of videos, I regret doing this. And still, I have uploaded 28 videos in 2020 and 34 videos including this video in 2021. So I think these videos I gave you guys are of best quality that I can, the best quality that I could give. So yeah, and then I will tell you some interesting facts about my channel and me before closing the video. And I started my channel basically as a reviewer. Like, I just did unboxing reviews in the first year of my channel, and then in 2019 on a random day I thought to upload some musical videos on my channel, as I decided at that time I didn't think of diversifying the content, but I thought I was going to start this musical series on my channel. And as I was doing only unboxings by then, that was a good diverse content. But that day when I uploaded my first music video turned out to be 22 December 2019, the same day when I started the channel 2 years ago. Then yeah, it was a great coincidence by then. And that video was a Doc Hudson music video. Obviously, Doc is my favorite character from Cars, so that turned out to be a great coincidence and a great day in my life. So I thought every year from then I will do a musical video on 22 December 22 December every year compulsorily, as I started the musical series from 2019. I started it, and also I diversified my content through two series called The Horror News and Richie Reviews. I started these both in 2020. So The Horror News was started in May, which was the motive of the series was giving you the updates about the latest stuff and then speculating on things like and then Richie Review was a regular review series where I reviewed my cars apart from unboxing reviews, just regular car reviews. The main motive of the series is giving my cars the attention they deserve, the cars that inspired me to start the collecting hobby, the passion in Disney cars and real cars also. I have a good knowledge on real cars also. So I wanted to give these cars the attention they deserve. So yeah, I started two series in 2020 and one series in 2019, and also I started uploading YouTube shorts that I named Holler Shorts, that is started in 2021. I I think I have diversified the content, but this is not everything. I'm going to diversify my content even more. I'm going to start different series in the future. I will update you guys in a future video what and all diverse content I'm going to upload. I know I will stick to Disney cars, Marvel, and Hot Wheels. These are only the niches or the categories I will upload. But in these itself, there are many categories of content. So I'm going to upload many diversified contents on these three subcategories. So you will see in a future video where I will update what and all contents I'm going to upload. So stay tuned. And as of my channel series, unboxing reviews hit its fourth year already on 13 January, as I uploaded my first unboxing reviews video on 13 January, which is also the first video on my channel. And then as of musical series, it hit its second year on 22 December, as the first video was Dark Hudson video, which was uploaded in 2019 22 December. And then Horror News hit its first year on May 14th, as the 2020 poster breakdown was the first video which was uploaded on May 14, 2020. And then Ritzy Reviews hit its first year on December 2nd. The first video was Hummus One review, and Holler Shots will hit its first year anniversary soon. I think in November, because I started it in November of this year. The first video was the collection video shot. So lol, I can't believe the time is running this fast, as the channel hit its fourth year anniversary, and the series, the most recent series itself hit for its first year anniversary, excluding the Horror Shots. Man, I can't believe the time is running this fast. And this 4 years journey has really taught me a lot. Sometimes, sure, I feel like quitting YouTube, but I come over it because this is what I love. Sometimes it feels hectic, but this is what I love. I will not quit YouTube any soon. I am not in the mood of quitting. I am always there for you guys doing YouTube videos. So and my advice is, if you start something in your life, be patient and passionate and love what you do. It may be the job you pursue, the career you go take. It may be YouTube, it may be something else. If you started, don't be patient and passionate and love what you do always. Don't If something makes you stop from reaching the goal, overcome it. Don't stop there. Don't stop where it makes you stop. Please, that's my. You can take it as advice. You can take it as a request. Whatever you can. And thanks for being with me in this 4 years of beautiful journey, and the part of our Horror Club, as I like to call it, because we are family, we are together. Without you guys, we wouldn't have done this completed this 4 years. We did this together. As an individual, I couldn't have done this. So thank you all for our achievement together. We did this massive achievement together, and I hope we will travel further together. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. So I think I will probably upload this on 31st December, the last day of 2021. 2021 was a express train, and 2021 was a bullet train. Yeah. 2021 ended way fast than I thought, but 2020 and 21, okay, they were pandemic situations. Still it's going, still it has not stopped, but still we have learned something from those years. So we will start the next year fresh, and hope you will have a new great year ahead. And thank you all for watching my video. Hope you learned about me more. So we will meet in the next video. Bye guys.